Yeah. Let's continue it. As part of Master Apache Kafka, in this session, we are going to discuss Apache Kafka installation and Windows operating system team. Okay, let's start discussing. Let's say this is my Windows operating system. This is my Windows operating system. In this Windows operating system, I want to install I want to install Apache Kafka. So this is my requirement. So if I want to install Apache Kafka, is there any pre-installed softwares required? Okay. So first one, we need a Java virtual machine. We need a Java virtual machine or JDK, Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit contain JVM. So JVM is more than enough to run our Kafka software. Kafka software. So Apache Kafka software implemented using Scala language. Scala, Scala is a JVM based language. Scala is a JVM based language. JVM based language. What is JVM based language? Let's say we develop programs using Scala language. We will compile that programs using Scala compiler. This Scala compiler converts your code into dot class called bytecode. Bytecode. This bytecode is understandable format of JVM. So to run your program, you need a JVM. Similar way, Kafka software. Kafka software developed using Scala language. Scala language. Kafka software developed using Scala language. To run this Kafka software, we need a JVM, Java Virtual Machine. That's it. To run Kafka software, we need a JVM. So like Scala, 100 plus languages. 100 plus languages available in the market which supports JVM. So to run those softwares, we need a JVM. So JDK is optional thing. This is optional. We just need a JVM is more than enough. More than enough to run your Kafka. Next one. Scala is optional. Scala software is optional. It is not mandatory. We are not going to run Kafka software using Scala. We need a JVM. JVM is more than enough. So if you want to install, you can install, but this is optional. But we will install Kafka later. So first we need operating system, then JVM, then optional is Scala, then Kafka software. Once Kafka software is required, Kafka. Once Kafka software is installed, then how we can develop applications? So for that, Kafka inbuilt provides Kafka inbuilt provides console consumer, console consumer, and console producer. Console consumer, console producer to practice purpose. For practice purpose, Kafka provides console consumer and console producer. Then you can practice. Let's say I am a Java developer. Then you can install Java. You can create core Java with Kafka coding or Spring with Kafka coding. Let's say I am a Python developer. Then install Python, then write a Python programs. Or I am a .NET developer. Then install .NET, then develop .NET with Kafka integrations. I am a PySpark developer. Install PySpark, then develop PySpark Kafka integration examples. I am a AWS data engineer. Then AWS DE account, create a AWS account, then integrate Kafka with your AWS components. Or I am Azure data engineer. You can create an account in Azure portal, then you can create an integration between Azure data engineering components with Kafka. Or I am a GCP data engineer. You can create an account in GCP, then use GCP data engineering components or other components to communicate with Kafka. So this is your specialization. This is your specialization. So this part. For practical purpose, Kafka people given console producer, console consumer for practicing Kafka examples. Okay. So hope you understand what are softwares required in Kafka installation. First, operating system, next to JVM, next to Kafka software. Then based on your specialization, you can install required other software. Okay. Yeah.